It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rockin'. We back with another one, baby. And today, your boy finally pulled up at Emporium Chicago. Let's go in here. Let's see what it's looking like. Let's see what they got. You already know how we do it. Flu Gang TV, gang, gang. That's my size? 13? 13. Oh man. Them 2.0 things, off-white Presto. Fire.
He's got the white.
Say it's my size too.
Yeah.
Y'all got these off-white Vapor Max. I already know what these things are, man. We got them here in Chicago coming soon. First impressions right now. I mean, these are pretty dope, man. You know them UNC colors. You know what I'm saying? They kind of switch it up. They got the Nike Air and the insoles instead of that off-white 10. So you know they definitely starting to branch it off. I like the orange hits in these things, man. But you know, overall, well-constructed shoe, dope, fire, coming soon. I'm numbered, grade school.
Yeah.
What size is that?
This is 6. They go down to a 4 though.
See? Team Love Feet, we got you in the building. Chicago Emporium. You already know.
Super tiny. Look at the quality too. Just as good.
What's this, a 4?
Yeah, 4.5.
Yo, we're showing y'all love,
And they're
Team Love
not
Feet.
youth, they're men sized up because they would have a Y on there.
Facts.
And they retail the same.
Damn. So, you know, Team Love Feet, y'all definitely gonna come about that penny. You know what I'm saying? All them little Mr. Allen's homage to home t-shirts y'all got. You know what I'm saying? Now y'all got the shoe to go with it. It's already, this is fire, man.
Yeah, definitely quality's just right. And then they did right on the back too. It's not like the
And the gold lace tips.
yeah, no gold lace tips on this. I'm saying the height on them is the same as all the other ones.
Yeah.
Like the GS pair of shadows, they're not the same.
Oh wow.
These are made just like men's pairs.
This is dope, man. I'll see it. Saturday. Let's get it. Kind of wish I would have picked these up. The sheets. Sheets, man. It's definitely fire. OBO 12 DS.
I got the OG Vapor
Fire on the feet.
Got those.
These gonna go up in price, man. These ever get back to what they were? I'll let me know in that comment box, YouTube.
Let's see.
Different material. See it? Wow, like, yeah, it is.
So see all
Yeah, the toe box.
all the X's or whatever,
Yeah.
squared out.
Because they cut this, I mean, that right there was just like cut different. They put a whole different like sheet on there. Wow. And you think the retail pairs are gonna come like that, or is that just the fans and families?
No, this is retail pair.
Is it retail?
Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting. Details, baby. Yeah. Them white things.
What color strings it come with?
Orange.
Just orange.
I think it was just orange. Orange. The white ones, y'all.
Yeah, I'd probably go for it.
Let's see the box. White, black cone. You see, you do the white ones over the black?
Yeah.
Definitely. I mean, especially
for me.
Especially the orange in there.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you think, like?
Yeah, I might need this guy right here. You know, anybody from Chicago, you already know what time it is. Big fats. Jesus. Oh, see my man, you know, with the Supreme Bullhorn. Mike on the Wheaties box. Got a couple pairs of clothes here, baby. To the NFL Super Bowl for live. Lit out here, man. Important. We shall definitely return. Fire. The blacked out bananas. What it is.
So because somebody fucked up and put orange on the thing.
I definitely need these.
So how much is this one?
My size. 2? Might have to grab these, YouTube. Wow, oh wow. Did I sell these? Tis. These are going for 2 racks now. That's crazy.
Some of the male actors in the film were basically cast by
you even
the
get in
leading
the door.
ladies.
Jane and Dawn
That's
have been
a free
friends
heat
for
out here.
years, and so Jane,
You know what
I talked to
I'm
all the women about who they wanted
Team
to
Little Feet section. Team Little Feet section. You need them Team Little Feet gold toes. They got them in here for you, baby. I didn't even know these came in grade school size. That's kind of fire.
be. You know, she and Andy have been friends since 2003.
These going for
Super close, and that dynamic.
2?
I mean, that made
2 for the Little Feet gold toes. Still got black cements, Katrinas. All lit all day long up in here. You know what I'm saying?
They got writing on it. They weren't supposed
A lot of heat out here. Got them Jeeters galore. Other things. Here. Look at that. Prom nights. On deck. These just might be fire, y'all. So we just leaving Emporium, man. Decent little showing, man. We definitely gonna mess with them. If you ever in Chicago, rock with them, man. Westside Chicago, Flu Gang TV. You already know how we rockin'. Gang. And we out, baby.